like to describe about Bikaner, a beautiful city situated in the deserts of Rajasthan. Bikaner. Most of the travelers generally ignore Bikaner when they visit Rajasthan, as this place did not get its due publicity. We were lucky enough to see this wonderful place as our cousin Jayashri and her husband Krishna, who lived there, continuously persuaded us to make a visit. After covering Agra, Ajmer, Jodhpur and Jaisalmer, we went to Bikaner. There are many visiting places in Bikaner. The best season to visit Bikaner is between November and March, when the weather is cool and pleasant, as temperatures do not soar high during this period. But February month is the best of all the times. Bikaner Fort. The forts of India are grand monuments that stand tall and quiet as silent witnesses to our glorious past. The massive proportions and aesthetic finesse makes a fabulous sight, and if you are lucky to get a good guide, you would be transported back to the times of the majestic rulers of Indian history. Coming back to the present, Bikaner city and the fort were named after the King Rao Bikaji, who had constructed the fort first in the year 1478. The old fort built by Bikaji was ruined after 100 years. A new fort was subsequently built and it is now called as the Junagadh Fort. As per history, this fort was never invaded. The reasons may be many. However, we cite a few here. 1. This fort is situated close to the Thar desert. 2. It is far away from the remaining regions. And 3. The Rajas of Bikaner maintained friendly relations with the Mughal Sultans. While building the fort, it appears more importance was given for beauty rather than for protection. The uniqueness of this fort is it is built on plains, whereas all the other forts of Rajasthan were built on hills. The entire city of Bikaner was developed around the fort. The fort is built in 5 hectares area and consists of 37 palaces, many temples, rest houses, interior dwelling units, halls and many more. The elegant entrance gate is 40 feet high. The fort consists of beautiful buildings like Chandra Mahal, Phul Mahal, Karan Mahal, Vikram Mahal, Badal Mahal, Hawa Mahal, etc. Maharaja of Bikaner, Ganja Singh, visited many countries. Hence, the buildings and monuments were constructed majestically with different architectures as per his taste. We can also notice fascinating blend of classic Indian, Mughal and Western styles of architecture in these sculptures. The old museum in the fort is a must-visit place. This is a treasure of art pieces reflecting the Rajasthan heritage and culture, which are cynosure to the eyes of the visitors. Kangra miniature is the most elegant art form among them. As already mentioned earlier, this fort was never invaded, and as such, all the artworks and sculptures are preserved undamaged till date. The magnificent artwork is visible everywhere. All the doors, walls, roofs and many more are fully decorated with paintings, gold and silver artworks, carvings, etc. No wonder once you visit this Bikaner fort, you will fall in love with it. Lalgarh Palace. This palace is 3 kilometers away from Junagadh Fort. Now it is a famous heritage hotel. This palace is constructed with red sandstone. This palace and its huge campus with beautiful gardens and lawns are the best shooting spots for many movies. There is no entry fee for this palace, but we should pay ₹25 entry for Sadhul Singh Museum in the palace. Photos, weapons, trains, etc. used by the royal family were displayed here. Karni Mandir. This mandir is very close to Bikaner town. This temple is dedicated to Karni Mata, a local goddess. The surprising fact about this temple is rats are worshipped here, and it is called the Rat Temple. Many Indian and foreign tourists visit this place. There are more than 25,000 black rats in the temple, running all over the place. A very few white rats are also seen here. It is said that if you can see a white rat, it brings you luck. We were fortunate enough that we could see one. The people here worship rats and consider them as gods. It is believed that the rats are the reincarnation of their ancestors. They worship the rats and Karni Mata with equal respect. There are many popular stories about the rats. We were astonished to notice that there were no baby rats and all the rats are of the same size. It is said that the reproductive system of these rats is not known with certainty. Prasadam is distributed to devotees only after the rats touch it. By any chance, if a rat is crushed under the feet of any person and die, he has to pay the penalty in the form of gold rat or silver rat. Gazner Palace, an oasis in the desert. It is visited by less number of tourists as it is situated 32 kilometers away from Bikaner. It was a hunting place as well as summer resort for the royal families. This beautiful palace is now converted into a heritage hotel. The lake and forest adjacent to the palace brought elegance and coolness to the palace. It is also built with red sandstone. Generally, we don't find many varieties of flowers in Rajasthan. Bougainvillea is the common flowering plant. Beautiful gardens are developed here with vivid varieties of this plant. They take utmost care in planting them in specially made big pots and fixed mesh for the climbers to creep on the walls to display the blossoms. On seeing the beautiful gardens, trees and peacocks moving here and there, we couldn't believe that we were in Rajasthan. Gazner Palace was so beautiful in the midst of big green trees. We came to know that hundreds of migratory birds arrive here and flock around the palace. The scenic beauty of this campus is like a heaven on earth. The entry fee per person is Rs 250 with soft drink or coffee as complimentary. We enjoyed the boat ride in the lake adjacent to the palace. The palace was awesome from the middle of the lake. The minimum room rent in the palace is about 10,000 per day. The Camel Breeding Center. It is 8 kilometers away from Bikaner. There are about 400 camels of different breeds. We saw very rare species of camels there. The sight of camels with two humps, black, white, dark brown colored camels astonished us. There is a camel ride facility, a camel research center and a museum which furnishes all the information about camels. Art pieces made of camel bone, bags, belts, purses, etc. made with camel skin, keychains and other articles made of camel teeth are on display and for sale too in the handicraft showroom. A special mention is to be made about camel milk parlor. Hot camel milk, coffee, tea, ice cream, kulfi made with camel milk are available there. Kolayat Lake near Gazner Palace and boat share in it are also worth mentioning. That's all. Thank you friends. Please share this video if you like it. Also please subscribe and press the bell icon for notifications.